What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm out here with my buddy Jordan. He's over there fly fishing for some toothy critters, and I'm gonna work some jerk baits up this creek bank here and see what we can hook into. So far we're getting on some smallies, but you never know what's gonna happen. But this is where we're gonna start today, and who knows where it's gonna end. But come along on this adventure, let's get fishing. All right guys, as you can see, we are wading in the creek. Got my buddy Jordan back there. He's gonna go for some muskie and some pike. And I'm just gonna throw around this little weightless fluke, for a little bit. See if anything wants to play. Oh, there's one right here. There's a muskie right here. Big? Nah, probably a foot and a half. Going upstream now. Tight up against the bank right here. I see him, he's sitting there. He's following it. Ah, it's a pike. Dude, that was so cool. Cast over here, rip it towards you. Like right in that shade. Like he's sitting right there. Right at this end part, no, in this area. Gosh, I think I inhaled a bug. Yeah, right there. Let it fall. He's following it. Did you see him? Got something. Little smallie. We got a little baby pike over here. Followed my jerk bait in. See if Jordan can get him on a fly. There's our first smallie out of the creek. Got some rock bass. A frog. Oh, what's that? Thing clobbered it. Another smallie. Guy's got a little bass following him too. Oh man. There we go, number 2. This might turn out to be a good creek adventure. Found a pike swimming around, 2 smallies so far. It's Memorial Day. Beautiful day out. Just can't beat this. Seen a lot of old beds. Seen a lot of old beds. Do muskie make beds? Do they? Huh? I said, do muskie make beds? Like bass do? I don't know either, guys. Leave a comment if you know if bass, or I mean if muskie make beds like bass do. Curious. Nice bass just been cruising by. I have a hard jerk bait too I'm thinking about tying on here in a second. Maybe we'll do that. I don't think he sees me. There's a nice bass right there. Nope, he ran from it. All right, let's work our way up through here. And see a really nice bass swimming down there. It's coming right towards me, actually. And my line is wrapped in my hooks. Go figure. That's a good bass. You guys see him down there? I don't know if you can see him or not. Swimming out right there. I'm gonna try to get him with this jerk bait. Oh, he just spooked off. Dang it. I'm gonna switch back to that soft one just to see if it makes a difference. All right, I went back to the weightless one. Let's see if this triggers him to bite. That last one was following it, but he didn't commit. Oh, musky. It's coming down to you. Yeah, you just net him, dude. See him? Is it? Got a pike on, boys. Hopefully it doesn't snap me off. My bad, dude. Oh, I'm caught in your vest. He's right in front of you. He's right in front of you. Net him, dude. Oh man, I got it loose. Thank God for braid. I know, dude. Oh, sweet. Woo, my heart is pumping. All right, I gotta get.
You got him in the eye.
Did I?
Yeah.
Oh man, that's why it didn't break me off. All right, guys, we're just gonna let this guy go. Don't want to mess with him too much. Wow, what a fish. What a fish. It's a chunky one. I'll pop the picture up right here. Like I said, I really just wanted to get that fish back in the water. I don't like to mess with the toothy ones too much. Don't have too much experience, but shout out to the net, man. Thanks, Haji. What a freaking crazy random catch that was. Yeah, it wasn't that bad. We don't need to discuss that. Huh? We don't need to discuss that. But yeah, guys, caught that pike, let him go. I don't like using them fish grippers. I didn't want to put my hand up underneath there. Kind of just wanted to get him back and let him go. Let him be healthy, swim along. Let's see if we can get on some of these big smallies we're seeing. Still a pretty cool catch though. Not every day you get into a pike or a muskie. There's definitely some in all these areas we fish, whether it's the creek or the river. They're lurking out there. I can't believe that. That was a freaking thick pike right there. I'm sure there's something bigger in here. got something. Oh, it came off. What the heck? I had something right there, something big too. I'm gonna let Jordan fish that hole down there, and I'm gonna work my way up this way. Oh, something just came up for it right there. Wasn't paying attention, I was looking where I was walking so I didn't trip. Oh, here comes something towards it. It's a bass. Two of them. Oh, missed one. Another one's coming. There's 3, 4 giant bass right here. Yeah, you got some nice bass coming down to you. Yeah, like 4 of them. And it's also the middle of the day too. I'm wondering if they're just not in a full force feeding mode. They're kind of short striking it. Oh, that one came ripping out, missed it. Let's get it back over there. You gotta land one of these smallies, man. We keep striking out here. There's a nice one right in front of me. 3 of them right in front of me. Let's see if I can get one of them to bite this. A whole school of them. Got one. There we go, finally. Another one's swimming with them. 3 of them swimming with them. I feel like they're right at my feet. I don't know where they went. Finally, there we go. Good smallie, nice smallie. Oh, missed one. Another one, Jane. That school's here again. 4 of them. That's a good one. Easy, dude. Wondered where they went. They went right over there to that point. There we go. Another butterball of a smallie. Sweet. At least we're catching them now, not missing them. It's like when one misses it, the one behind it just comes flying up behind them. Saw a couple. Let's see if we can get on some more here. Oh! There's another one. Jeez. Jordan just lost something down there. I have no idea what. I found this school of smallies, so I'm not complaining. There we go. It's hooked in the bottom lip. Hate it when that happens. Another nice one. Definitely see them down there. There's like 4 of them, 5 of them. They keep swimming towards it. I think they're starting to smarten up now. There we go. Got him. He was hesitating and he came up and finally hammered it. It's not a bad one. Go. All right, guys, another one out of this creek here. What an awesome day of fishing so far. Another one. These smallies are hungry today. They're a little skittish though. I think it's because the water's so clear. They can see me. There we go. That hook was really in there. There we go. Biggest one so far. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this fishing video. But what a freaking awesome day of fishing. Caught that pike, got some good smallies. We're gonna keep on fishing throughout this evening, so stay tuned because there'll be more fishing videos to come. But thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe, leave a comment below. But I'll see you guys soon. Stay fishing, stay anchored.